Hi class, welcome to semester 2. We start a new topic today, linear relations. Can you please copy into your books the heading, exercise 2D, solving linear equations. With linear relations, we are trying to find what x equals. For example, if we've got the equation x minus 2 equals 7, I want you to figure out what x equals. So if we have a look at it, a number minus 2 equals 7. So to work it out, I'm going to actually plus 2, and then I can see x equals 9. So I just solved that previous equation using inverse operations or backtracking. So the inverse is basically the opposite. So the opposite of plus is minus, opposite of minus is plus, the opposite of multiply is divide, and divide is multiply. And so what we do is we move the numbers to the other side of the equation and we change this sign. Let's do some examples. So x plus 3 equals 13. I'm trying to figure out what x equals. So I use my inverse operations. So the opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. So I have x equals 13 minus 3, which is 10. Next example, 5x equals 15. So when there's no symbol between them, it means multiply. So the opposite of multiplying by 5 is divide by 5. So x equals 15 divided by 5, which is 3. And do we remember what the fraction shows? That's divide by. So the opposite of dividing by 2 is I need to times by 2. So x equals 4 times 2, 8. So we always move the number furthest away from the x first. So if you look at this example here, 2x plus 5 equals 17. I'm trying to figure out what x equals. So I move the number that's furthest away from the x first. So this one here, so I'm going to subtract 5. So this leaves me with 2x equals 17 minus 5, which is 12. And then to figure out what x is, I need to divide by 2. So x equals 6. Okay, so this one here, I do the same. I move the number furthest away from the x first, which is this here. So the opposite of subtract 3 is plus 3. So then I'll have x divided by 4 equals 7 plus 3, which is 10. And then the opposite of divide by 4 is multiply by 4. X equals 40. This one here has 3 things to move away. So I'm going to do the same, move what's furthest away first. So this 9 here. The opposite of divide by 9 is times by 9. So then I'll have 2x plus 4 equals 18. Then I'm going to move this plus 4 next, so it becomes subtract 4. 2x equals 14. And my last step, I divide by 2. So x equals 7. So I would like you to do these 3 questions at the top of the slide, write the answers in your workbook, then access the exercise 2D questions from Cambridge Go. I might also create a worksheet with those questions in case you can't get onto Cambridge Go. Also, it would be lovely if you could all say hi in the social stream because I haven't seen you all in a while.